It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, baby. Hi, guys. Welcome to my cooking show. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, here are my crab in the water. I brush my crabs and I put them in the water to boil with lemon. Now I'm gonna take them out and clean them up and take off the shells. This is my way of doing it. Putting my crabs in cold water, guys, like that. After I wash them, putting my crab in cold water. After I cook them, like so. Put in cold water. This is my first time doing this crab. This is gonna be my way. You can do them your way. Now this is what I use to wash my food. This thing is for this specific reason, guys. This is only food wise. This brush is only for food. I use it only on my food. Guys, I'm brushing it like this because I've never cooked crab like this before. So I'm just gonna do this, then I come back. Guys, I'm gonna finish with this, then I come back and show it to you. Okay, guys, earlier you saw me cleaning my crab and I was brushing it with my food brush to get off any excess, hair or stuff or residue, whatever is on that crab, because I've never cooked blue crab before. But then eventually I decided to take the back shell off the crab because I don't know what's inside of it. So now I'm just giving you an example of how I took it off. I played around until I figured out an easy way to take it off. So there I took off that little piece. I don't know what that's called. Then I put my knife in between the back shell and the body of the crab. Then I just pop it open. Now I'm just cleaning out all those little things that are inside the crab that don't look eatable. I think that's the crab um, intestines and stuff and all those yellow stuff. I'm just gonna clean it out until I see the crab meat only. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash away all those yellow stuff. After I do that, I'm just gonna break it in half like so. Here I'm just showing you how I cut it in half. I mean, after I cut it, I realized you can just use your hand and just break it in half. And that way is easier for you guys. So when I come back, I'm gonna show you how to prepare your curry sauce. Camera was not recording. However, here I put my skillet on the stove. Then I turn my stove on. You can go ahead and put your heat to medium to low heat. Then I add my cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. I put enough oil to basically grease the bottom of the pot. Then I went in with all my chopped seasoning, my garlic, onion, green onion, scotch bonnet pepper, my ginger, bay leaf, and thyme. Now there you saw me add my allspice. Now I'm just gonna stir it around and combine all this flavor. Then here I'm adding my red pepper flakes. It's spicy. If you don't want yours to be spicy, don't put the red pepper flakes. I like my curry with a little heat. Then I'm adding some more olive oil because it seems as if I needed more oil. If you don't want to use too much oil, you can go ahead and put some water at this point. But I put my oil because I want to burn my curry. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of curry. You can also use turmeric instead of curry. So now I just add 1 tablespoon of curry and I'm just gonna stir it around and let my curry basically cook until it's thickened. At this point, guys, you should go ahead and turn your heat to low. Turn your stove to low heat because you don't want your curry to burn. If you try to cook your curry at high heat, it's gonna burn. And once the curry is burnt, your dish is gonna be bitter. You don't want that. So now I'm just gonna keep stirring my curry like every 5 seconds. I'm gonna keep stirring to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan or eventually burn. Then after I stir and my curry looks thick enough, I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of water. As you can see, I'm adding my water in sections. I'm not pouring the water in at once. It's better to do it that way than to just dunk all the water in. So I'm just gonna keep stirring and adding my water until I add the until I completely added the cup of water. So you can add enough water to the amount of sauce you need. So now I'm just gonna keep stirring and adding my water. Then I'm gonna cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Also, guys, it's important to put a little ginger in your curry. That way, your curry won't affect your stomach. Guys, here's my curry sauce. I let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Then now I'm adding in my crab legs. It's important to let your curry sauce cook completely, guys, before you add your crab meat, because you don't want your crab meat to be overcooked. As you see, I boiled my crab in the beginning, so my crab meat is already pre-cooked. So now I'm just gonna stir it around and adjust the taste to my liking. If you think you need to add something else, you can go ahead. But here I'm just putting some adobo because I don't want to use salt. After I add my adobo, I went in with some of my everyday seasoning. Also, I add some more red pepper flakes because it wasn't spicy enough for me, and I like my curry to be spicy. Now I'm just stirring it around. Make sure the sauce is all up in that crab meat. Guys, this is smelling so good. Mm-mm-mm. It's smelling so good. I wish you guys could taste this dish when it's complete. Mm-mm-mm. Now I'm just tasting it to make sure the taste is okay, but it's not as I want it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more adobo. I used adobo in this dish instead of salt because the adobo is really salty. So now I'm just gonna stir it around some more and cover it and let it cook for like 5 minutes. And when I come back, I'm gonna show you my finished dish. Okay, guys, here is my end product. I let it cook for 5 minutes until the sauce is reduced, and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. It's tasting so good. It's spicy and nice. I love my curry to be spicy. I'm gonna enjoy this dish, guys. You should try this dish. You don't have to use the blue crab because this is the blue crab. You can go ahead and use king crab legs. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.